Namaste. Let's begin our practice today, sitting tall with your navel back towards your spine. Reach your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow to the right. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lightly lifting through your lower belly, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Transitioning into a seated twist variation, step your feet into a wide stance, placing your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder towards opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, lengthening from the base of your spine through the crown of your head, releasing tension through your abdomen, rib cage, and spine, creating more space and ease through your upper body. Continue breathing deeply as you release and return to center. Transitioning into a seated twist variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale, return to center, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, moving at your own pace, wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, arms sweep overhead, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, gently twisting, maintaining your hips facing forward, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.